What's good, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. It'll take this video a long way. I know it's been a minute, about a week and some days since I really dropped a sneaker video, but hey, it is what it is. I got a pack in and I wanted to share with you guys real quick, so sit tight. Let me pop this open. These were authenticated through eBay. I like how they package and they ship out a little card. I done seen a million of those. It's been a minute since we seen a box like this. A Nike box. It's my size. And yes, they are some Dunks. Oh yeah. These are nice. Now they call these the black and white Dunks. Some call them the Panda Dunks. You know. I thought they was pretty cool looking, so I picked them up. Let's give it the old smell test. Man, I don't smell nothing. They are new, they DS. And these came out 2021 or 2. You know, I said I'm gonna start back picking up me some Dunks because they got some real nice ones. You know, I used to have a few pair. I had the Corks back in the day and a few others. But yeah, let's look at this. Sit tight. Alright, you see the eBay little thing there, but let's look at this shoe, man. Now, as far as the leather on these, it's kind of stiff. It's nothing premium, just some stiff leather, you know. I don't know if the camera picking it up. These the sole of them. Looks something like the Air Jordan 1s. It's the back of them. A real cool, nice shoe, man. I needed me a black and white shoe, you know. Yeah, I got some other things coming in. It's gonna be a slow month as far as the sneaker content. I got a couple more things coming in, but I'm gonna try to give you guys some content. Maybe I'll do some sneaker, you know, just talk, sneaker talk, you know, or something like that. But other than that, I'm just chilling, staying out the way. You feel me? Yep. Well, it's the OG. I'd like to thank each and last one of you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out, and I'll get at you.